Hello, I am Divya from Sephnix Life Sciences. It's a WHO GMP certified company. We are here to launch our products. We are dealing in 5 sections: tablet, capsule, liquid, dry syrup, and ointment. And we have participated in IPHEX 2023. So footfall is great. We have many existing clients here. So it's a good experience. Right now we are only doing domestic. So it's the formulations. We have a manufacturing unit. We are making finished ready goods. We have a complete range in general products. We have cardiac diabetic section also. So we have different sections. It is good, sir.